Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to start selling print on demand on Shopify. So starting a POD or print on demand business on Shopify is one of the easiest ways to sell custom products without holding inventory. So you'll need first to create your Shopify store. Just sign up at Shopify, choose a store name, select a theme and customize your store and set up the payment, shipping settings, store policies and domain name. And then you will need to choose a print-on-demand supplier. So the popular Shopify POD integrations include the Printful, Printify, or Gelato. So these companies print and ship products only after a customer places on order. So to do that, you will need us first to go to the Shopify admin just right here, and then just go to the apps that you can find inside the settings that you can click on the left hand menu. It's on the bottom of it, and now just go with the apps right here. Okay, so now go with the Shopify app store and just look for the Printful. You can also go with the Printify, and we have Gelato. All right, so let's say that we want the Printful, right? So just go with that one. This one prints on demand, and then go with install, right? So just choose one of these, and now just confirm the installation. Go with install right here, and then you will be forwarded into your store, right? So go with yes, sign in, or no, create an account if you don't have one yet. And just connect it, and the app will sync products and orders automatically. So then you will need to create your designs. So you can create designs using the Canva, Adobe Express, Adobe Photoshop. So just export the designs as high resolution PNG files with transparent backgrounds when needed. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.